Our expedition unfolds amidst the ancient and storied city of Jerusalem, where our quest revolves around the elusive Ark of the Covenant. Fabled legends have scattered its presence to faraway realms like Ethiopia or Ireland. In our pursuit, Chris Mitchell engages with a researcher who boldly asserts that the Ark might be closer than the popular imagination perceives. The Ark of the Covenant, a profound symbol of God's presence among the Israelites, stood as a visual testament to the covenant forged between the one true God and his people. The Ark, a vessel laden with sacred significance, vanished from historical records when Babylon razed Jerusalem in the 6th century BCE. The ensuing millennia became a tapestry of fervent searches conducted by believers, scientists, historians, and archaeologists, each driven by an unwavering determination to uncover this enigmatic relic. Despite initial stagnation in the quest, recent scientific revelations promise a glimmer of hope as scientific discoveries converge with the biblical narrative. Tantalizing clues emerge, suggesting a potential breakthrough in locating the long-lost Ark. One intriguing proposition comes from Ron Wyatt, who asserted discovering the Ark buried beneath the ancient ruins of Jerusalem. According to Wyatt, the Ark lay hidden in an underground chamber, sealed and forgotten. Over time, however, his attempts to capture evidence through photos and videos were thwarted by a surreal encounter with 4 angels. These celestial beings proclaimed that the world was not yet ready to witness this sacred discovery, hinting at a future moment when universal religious laws would govern humanity. Throughout history, various theories have swirled around the Ark's whereabouts. One persistent belief centers on Ethiopia, with the 14th century national epic, the Kebra Nagast, narrating the tale of Menelik, the son of Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. Menelik allegedly brought the Ark to Ethiopia, where it is safeguarded within the Church of St. Mary of Zion. This theory, deep ingrained in Ethiopian history and tradition, remains unverified externally, adding to the mystique surrounding the Ark's final resting place. The Copper Scroll, a unique document among the Dead Sea Scrolls, adds an intriguing layer to the mystery, listing 64 locations where gold and silver items from the Jerusalem temple were hidden. It hints at the possibility of the Ark being concealed near the Dead Sea. Despite the tantalizing clues, the precise coordinates remain elusive, leaving scholars and seekers in a perpetual quest for the truth. The Ark's symbolic resonance transcends mere historical curiosity. In biblical narratives, only specific individuals, usually Levites, were deemed worthy to touch or approach the Ark. Its sanctity was such that irreverence led to instant death, reinforcing the spiritual connection between God and his chosen people. The Ark was not merely a relic, it was a conduit for divine presence and power. The imagery associated with the Ark, especially the mercy seat adorned with golden cherubim, evokes profound spiritual significance. The atoning blood sprinkled on the mercy seat symbolizes the triumph of mercy over judgment, a theme echoed in the New Testament. The Ark, with its sacred contents, the 10 Commandments, Aaron's budded staff, and manna, becomes a repository of pivotal moments in Israel's journey through the wilderness. The rod of Aaron blossoming miraculously as a sign of divine approval signifies the establishment of the Levitical priesthood. The manna, representing God's life-sustaining provision, finds its parallel in Jesus, the true bread from heaven. The 10 Commandments encapsulate the moral law, a standard of righteousness fulfilled by Christ, who in his sacrifice activated God's mercy for believers. The intricate details of the Ark's construction, with gold overlays, wooden poles, and specific carrying instructions, emphasize the meticulous care required in handling this sacred artifact. Touching the Ark directly was a privilege reserved for the Levites, specifically the descendants of Kohath, and any deviation from the prescribed procedures invited divine retribution. Theologians reflect on the Ark's symbolism not just as a historical artifact, but as a mythical bridge between God and humanity. The intricate rules surrounding its handling underscored the awe-inspiring nature of God's presence. The Ark, a tangible representation of the divine, was imbued with a level of sanctity that demanded utmost reverence. The overarching question looms: where's the Ark now? While scientific explorations and historical narratives offer tantalizing hints, the ultimate truth remains elusive. The Ark, whether concealed in Ethiopia, near the Dead Sea, or in some other undisclosed location, continues to be a captivating enigma, inviting speculation, exploration, and reverence. As the journey through time unfolds, the symbolic weight of the Ark endures. It becomes more than a relic. It becomes a testament to faith, an emblem of divine connection, and a reminder of the intricate dance between mercy and judgment. Whether the Ark is ever revealed to the world or remains veiled in mystery, its significance resonates through the annals of history, prompting humanity to ponder the spiritual depths it represents. In the ongoing quest for the Ark of the Covenant, various theories and historical perspectives converge, offering a nuanced tapestry of interpretations. The Ark, mentioned last in the Old Testament in 2 Chronicles 35 verse 3, finds itself entwined with Ethiopia's 14th-century national epic, the Kebra Nagast. According to this account, Menelik, the son of Solomon and the Queen of Sheba, brought the Ark to Ethiopia. Despite the apocryphal nature of the Kebra Nagast, it remains an integral part of Ethiopia's national history, influencing the Solomonic dynasty's claim to direct descent from Menelik and Solomon. The Church of St. Mary of Zion in Aksum, Ethiopia, stands as a sentinel to this claim, with a virgin monk serving as the sole custodian of the Ark within its resting chamber. The tablets, sacred replicas of the Ark housed in Ethiopian churches, echo the profound reverence bestowed upon the original relic. While external verification of the Ark's presence in Aksum remains elusive, the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church upholds the sacredness of this tradition. The Copper Scrolls inclusion in the Dead Sea Scrolls adds an intriguing layer to the mystery, with its cryptic list of hiding places for gold and silver items, including a potential reference to the Ark's location near the Dead Sea. It tantalizes scholars and explorers alike. The lack of precise coordinates leaves room for speculation, intensifying the intrigue surrounding the Ark's final resting place. The symbolic weight of the Ark extends beyond its physical location. It becomes a representation of humanity's quest for divine connection, with the mercy seat symbolizing the triumph of mercy over judgment. The meticulous instructions for handling the Ark underscore the reverence required, turning it into a potent symbol of the delicate dance between the sacred and the mundane. The narrative takes a fascinating turn as the quest for the Ark intertwines with Ron Wyatt's claim of discovery beneath the ancient ruins of Jerusalem. Wyatt's encounter with four angels preventing him from capturing evidence of the Ark adds a surreal dimension to the story. The notion that the world is not yet ready to witness this sacred relic invokes a sense of divine timing, echoing biblical themes of revelation and prophecy. The question arises, is the Ark meant to be physically unveiled to the world, or does its significance lie in the spiritual and symbolic realm? The Ark's last mention in the Old Testament coincides with its placement in the temple Solomon built in Jerusalem. Its final disappearance from historical records leaves room for speculation, myth, and a sense